In this video, we'll be explaining how to find the current reward epoch. Many queries require the relevant FTSO epoch number. For example, checking the rewards for any particular epoch in the FTSO system. To locate this number, start by accessing the FTSO Manager smart contract by searching for it at the top right of the Blockchain Explorer. Click Enter. Now click on the Read Contract tab. Scroll down to the number 8 function called Get Current Reward Epoch. The current reward epoch number will be displayed next to the function. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.